got that on video.
Holy shit.
Dude, his traction motor's on fire.
Oh, man. Well, this ain't gonna be a good night for the crew.
Yes, sir. Governor's Highway southbound. Top of the gas station. Train locomotive on fire. It just blew up. What street are we at, Tommy?
We're right at the intersection. He's coming up to Draw Road.
Draw Road and Governor's Highway southbound. Train locomotive on fire. Yeah, Draw and Governor's. He's on fire. Yes, sir. He was moving and his motor blew up and flames were shooting out and everything. He's